This is the Sangsimi Oolong Sensor Studio with a quick update on the Middle East war. Smoke was seen in central Israel. In Baghdad, Iraq, footage shows the American C-RAM system intercepting Iranian drones. The C-RAM is an autonomous turret with a Gatling gun firing up to 4,500 rounds per minute. The Iranian Navy Brigade displays a US drone shot down in southern Iran. Mohammad Nayani, the spokesperson for the Revolutionary Guard, was killed by an Israeli airstrike. The spokesperson died while making threatening remarks against the US and Israel. A senior commander of Iran's Basij militia, Ahmadi, was also killed by an Israeli airstrike. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard stated that the death of the spokesperson will not be allowed to weaken the morale of our forces. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said any Middle Eastern country hosting US military bases will be seen as an aggressor. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi warned Britain in a phone call with British Foreign Minister Yvette Cooper that allowing the US to use British military bases would be considered participation in an act of aggression. The Israeli military launched airstrikes on Syria, claiming they targeted sites in response to attacks on the Druze people. The Israeli military explained that they attacked Syrian-owned infrastructure in response to attacks targeting Druze residents in Swaida, southern Syria. The US Republican Party is debating how to address the $200 billion request for the war with Iran, possibly by cutting other budgets and raising defense spending. President Erdogan, now in his 7th term, stated the Middle East is very unstable. As is well known, Zionist Israel has massacred hundreds of thousands of people. He said, "According to God's will, they will pay the price for that. I am certain of it." The Prime Minister of Lebanon said in an interview with CNN that they are ready to negotiate with Israel. Kuwait has shut down part of the Mina al-Ahmadi refinery. As the Israel and US war with Iran threatens the global energy market, China has urged that oil supplies not be disrupted. UN Secretary General Guterres said that both Iran and Israel may have committed war crimes. If there is more news, I will point it out in the video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.